Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. My name is Nurul Farhana Binti Zainal Rashid, MATRIC ID B22EC0053, and this is my presentation video for Demo 1 for PSM 2. My supervisor is Dr. Fazliati Idora, and the title of my PSM is HATELIER Interactive Real-Time 3D Drawing Guide Using Hand Gestures in WEBAR. So, the progress so far, I managed to host my website on glitch.com. And then the elements that I managed to achieve is the hand gestures using MediaPipe. And for now, I make it so that my website could spawn object, which is a sphere, once they detect the correct gestures. So to spawn the object, I use 3JS. So I create, in my main, I create a 3JS scene and the proper lighting, and then I set up a webcam background, meaning that my webcam is visible on my website, so I can see myself and my hands. So for MediaPipe, usually they only detect X and Y axis. So I make it so that it will also detect the depth of my hand, so that the object spawn will differ, meaning that the object will differ in size based on the position of my hand on Z axis. And then I make it so that the MediaPipe detects my hand. There are 5 gestures, which is close palm, open palm, peace sign, pinch, single finger. So single finger or index finger. So when I close my palm, when I do peace sign, it will spawn an object, which is sphere, and the location will be at my index tip. So when I pinch, it will clear all the object. So here is the code that spawn the object. So it will spawn sphere, and the color will be cyan, and the position, it will take the position of my hand to spawn the object. And then this is the function to clear the object. So when I do pinch gesture, it will clear the object. Now let's try to demo it. So as you can see at the below here, for now the gesture is none because none of my hands is being detected. So if I lift my hand, it says open palm. So the reason, usually when we use MediaPipe only, there will be landmarks being shown, the skeleton being shown on my hand. But since this video is being overlaid by another thing, which is the 3JS scene, it doesn't show my landmark, but still it detects my gesture. So right now, open palm, close palm, pinch, index finger, and to draw, I do peace sign. So for now, as you can see, when I move and they detect my peace sign, it will draw. If I accidentally close my hand to pinch, it will clear the object. So let me try to spawn without accidentally pinch. So the reason why I keep lifting my hand here, to make it that they detect my, they detect my peace sign. So as you can see here, even though, for example, I make this on the same X and Y axis, if I make my hand closer to the camera, it will spawn the object a little bit in front from another. So this proof that the Z axis works. And if I take my hand a little bit further and then click on it, it doesn't spawn the object in front of the previous object, meaning that it does detect my Z axis. So for now, there is no AR integration yet, and there is no drawing guide integration yet. My next step is I will try to integrate this website with WebXR API to make it works in AR. This is all from me. Thank you for watching.